How do you clean office daily? Regularly sanitize frequently touched surfaces with approved sanitizer like alcohol or bleach wipes. Deep clean carpeted office spaces at least once every month or two depending on foot traffic. Sweep hardwood and tile floors daily with a broom or dust mop, then mop weekly with mild cleaner or soap solution. Organize papers into folders according to category and store them in filing cabinets or desk drawers. Opt for digital storage solutions such as cloud storage services to access documents securely from any internet connection. Daily cleaning tasks include cleaning desks and other frequently touched surfaces, vacuuming or mopping floors, and restocking bathrooms. Weekly cleaning tasks include dusting windowsills, blinds, and curtains, vacuuming carpets, wiping down the refrigerator, watering office plants. Monthly cleaning tasks include cleaning computer keyboards, deep cleaning furniture upholstery, and wiping down ceiling fans and light fixtures. Regular maintenance of office cleaning schedule promotes health and productivity among staff members.